Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, checking out this awesome 1976 Ford Bronco. These babies are on fire. And as you'll see, this one is definitely one you'll want to snatch up once you see everything about this truck. We also have another beautiful 69 that's on the market as well. Let's focus on the Candy Apple Red 76. It's absolutely gorgeous. Paint and body look fantastic. Was done about 7 years ago. Has had upgrades added to it since the time of restoration, but paint and body still look absolutely beautiful. Hopefully you can see some reflection in this paint. It's a candy apple red color, really pops nice on this truck. It's got a nice stance on this 76. You've got a 3.5-inch James Duff suspension lift coupled with a 2-inch body lift. So it does sit up nice and tall. It's got a great look to it. You may have noticed the fiberglass cowl hood also looks great on this truck. So this one's got a little more of an aggressive stance, but not overdone. Some nice touches with the black accents in the side view mirrors to match up to the black fender flares, black interior. Really nice add-on done by the gentleman we had sold this truck to about 2 years ago, a few items that he added. One is some amp power step-ups. So when you open the doors, you've got a powered step that comes out with a courtesy light, as you can see there in blue. Really helps out at night. But this one is really sweet. I'll show you the interior in a minute. Let's check out a few of the other add-ons. He also added on these aftermarket bumpers, front and rear. He had actually added a set of 20-inch fuel wheels on this. It wasn't quite the look that we usually like, so we went back with a brand new set of Pro Comp aluminum 15 by 10s, and we wrapped them in 33 12.5 15 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. It's the look we like. If you're interested in the 20-inch fuels, let me know. I can send you pictures of what it looks like with those on there, and we can discuss that as well. Again, passenger side looks fantastic. It's not flawless. There may be a couple of rock chips that have been touched up, but it's super, super nice. The next lucky owner will not be disappointed in this rig. Another add-on was the front bumper with a winch that's functional. Has not been used. So under the hood is a built 351 roller crate motor. Was installed a little over 5,000 miles ago. It is got, let's see, it's got headers on it. It's pushing out about 300 horse. Really streetable. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. It's got a tight ratio steering box. So this is one you can get in, drive, and enjoy. Definitely take it to the car shows, as this one will definitely win its share of trophies and attract all the crowds you can handle. Dual flow masters, I'll let you hear in a second. Interior looks fantastic. You've got a set of Corbo racing style seats up front. You've got the stock factory rear seat in back with seat belts. Great sounding stereo system, 6 speakers. You've got 4 in the rear. You've got 2 in this center unit here. The floors were all lined. They're solid as can be. Looks great underneath the truck as well as from up top. You've got a full family roll cage to protect you for extra security, especially if you decide to do any off-roading. But runs all the way back, front to rear. Really nice. Nice aftermarket steering wheel. Let you hear it start up and running, because she sounds great. Got some aftermarket gauges to give you a little bit more accurate readouts here on your temperature, oil pressure, and volts. Stereo unit is tucked into the center console here, hidden away. Let me let you hear this baby running. If you've been after a show and go Bronco, you can't top this red and black beauty. Built motor, ready to drive and enjoy, lots of goodies. Black soft top, zip out the windows, get that open air feel. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much. Good luck.